Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. This is day 2 of our 10 for 10 challenge, 10 minutes of yoga for 10 days. Let's get started standing at the back of our yoga mat as we sweep our arms overhead. And now bend your arms, open your chest, look up. Come back to standing, straighten your arms and forward fold. We slowly roll back up inch by inch. Hands come to heart center as you take a deep breath. Again, lift your arms up towards the ceiling for mountain pose and bend the arms, look up, arch your back. Again, we stand up for mountain pose and forward fold. Use your hands to walk yourself out into a high plank. In this high plank, your body is in a straight line, you're looking down, and your core is engaged. Let's lower down onto our knees, and you can cross your ankles if that feels good to you. Lower down, and then press back up. So we just do a modified push-up. Let's do that 3 more times. And this is our last one. Press back up. And now let's lower all the way down onto our belly, making our way into a baby cobra, peeling the chest up 2 or 3 inches off the mat. Now come into your downward facing dog, lifting your hips up and back. Lift the heels, coming on the tippy toes as you bend your knees, stepping to the top of your mat. Come up halfway, hands to shins, and forward fold. Come to standing, lifting the arms overhead and hands to heart center. Again, mountain pose, reach your arms overhead. And little back bend, open the chest. Come back to your mountain pose and forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Come into your high plank. Lower down onto your belly. And now press back into your high plank. Let's do that 3 more times. This is our last one, so you press up and lower down onto your belly. Extend your arms forward. And now let's pull the elbows down towards the hips, lifting your chest up off the mat. Lower down and straighten your arms. We have 9 more just like that. So you lift up and you go back down. We have 2 more. This is our last one. And now let's press back into a child's pose. Make your way into a modified side plank on the right. I won't be mirroring you for this exercise, so you would just go the opposite way that I'm going. Extend your left arm up towards the ceiling. And now let's lower the arm down and we lift it back up. We have 7 more of these. You have the option to lift that left leg off of your mat as well. Keep the core engaged and go very slow. We have 2 more. This is our last one. And let's go straight over to the other side. So we have 8. We have 2 more. This is our last one. And come into your high plank. And downward facing dog. Back to high plank. And downward facing dog. Come into your high plank as you lower down onto your belly, pressing up into your upward facing dog. And now lower down onto your belly. Open your arms out wide in a T position. Look to the left as you place your right cheek on your mat. Open your entire body over to the left side of the room, and you can step your left foot behind you. So this is like a little bit of a shoulder stretch. And you can even bring that left arm behind you. Let's make our way to the other side. Come into your child's pose with the knees really wide. Come onto your hands and knees for tabletop as you extend your right arm up towards the ceiling and reach back a little bit. And now thread the needle, sending that right arm behind the left wrist, lowering down on that right shoulder. Come back into your tabletop as you extend your left arm up and back, and then you thread the needle. Let's have a seat in a cross-legged position. Lift your left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Let's sweep through center, making our way to the other side. And relax that right arm down. We end class by sweeping the arms up overhead and hands come to heart center. as you take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including longer live classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.